Welcome back. So I finally decided to get the Mac Mini. I wanted to test it out to see if it would fit my workflow, and here is the unboxing. Very small, as you can see, mini, hence mini. All right, now ta-da! Wow, look at this. Only 1.5 pounds. Let's see. Very tiny, fits in the palm. What else is in the box? Let's see. Okay, we have the braided cable. Wonderful. There for now. What else do we have? Let's see. Mac Mini. Okay. So we don't get any more sticker, Apple sticker, nope. Wow. All right, so there we have it. You know what? Let's compare it to my previous Mac Mini. This is the Mac Mini Intel version. Look at this. Compare. Look at this. Very tiny compared to the previous model. Look at that.